You know, every lawsuit has a story. This one's about a partnership that fell apart, with two very different versions of the truth.
So it all kicks off with this formal complaint filed by Robert Anderson against his former contractor, Nick Dallel.
The whole thing really comes down to just one piece of paper. This document is, well, it's everything.
Here it is, the Independent Contractor Agreement from 2019. This was Anderson's key piece of evidence.
And right at the heart of it is this non-compete clause, which stops a contractor from becoming a competitor.
And yep, there are the signatures. Looks official, right? Well, this is where things get complicated. They can't even agree on the timeline. When did this all really start, and on what terms?
In their sworn statements, it's night and day. Anderson says the contract was vital. Doelle says it never existed.
According to Anderson, they went over every single paragraph together before anyone signed a thing.
But Doelle, also under oath, says flat out, I never signed any contract with a non-compete clause.
So you've got two sworn statements, two totally different stories. Who do you believe? It's the central mystery here.
Doelle also explains why he left, making some really serious claims about the business and his own safety.
But this whole fight, what was the personal cost? Turns out it was way more than just about business.
Anderson even wrote this letter to a mutual friend talking about how a strong friendship just fell apart.
And you can see the ripple effect, right? He writes about how other friendships got damaged too.
He's clearly heartbroken that business got in the way. He really thought their friendship was stronger than that.
Eventually, they did reach a settlement outside of court. The legal battle, at least, was over.
But it wasn't quite finished. After it was all settled, Anderson sent one final letter directly to Domi.
He talks about the huge personal toll it all took, saying, I once thought of you as family.
And his final words to his former friend and colleague, "This is the last lesson I can teach you."